Is it the right time to make a move with Netflix stock? Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into Netflix. Our initial report was released on our website on Wednesday, January 24, 2024. Now, we're back with an even more comprehensive analysis just for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest insights. You wouldn't want to miss out on any crucial updates that might impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. It's important to note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 4, 2024, our system has ranked Netflix as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, Netflix has outperformed our expectations, with a gain of 14.79% since we first recommended buying it 14 days ago. That's an impressive average return of 1.06% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. Our system predicts high volatility and risk for the following trading day, hence the score of 0. Based on the latest developments, it's difficult to determine the stock's next direction. It could go either way. The stock has recently broken the strong short-term upward trend and is now showing an even stronger rate of increase. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $529.37, which could provide a second opportunity for growth. According to fan theory, the next possible resistance level is $572.16, which may not be easily surpassed at the first attempt. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 16.75% change over the next 3 months, with a return ranging between 4.26% and 13.43%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 39.62% change over the next year, with a potential return between -0.534% and 43.57%. This suggests a price range of $541.96 to $782.25 after 1 year. Our latest update on Netflix brings exciting news. The stock price has surged by over 10.7% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, Wednesday, January 24, 2024, the Netflix stock price experienced a significant increase of 10.7%, soaring from $492.19 to $544.87. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. Moving forward, it will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $537.07 and a high of $562.50, representing a 4.73% fluctuation. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown an impressive 13.02% gain. Additionally, the trading volume increased alongside the price, signifying a positive technical indication. In total, there were 13 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, amounting to approximately $14.35 billion in transactions. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached $562.50, while the lowest price dipped to $285.33. Currently, the price stands at 3.13% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $17.63. Furthermore, it is 22.27% below the all-time high, which was recorded on November 17, 2021, at $700.99. Today, let's dive into some recent analyst ratings for Netflix, the popular streaming service. Starting with Wednesday, January 24, 2024, Macquarie gave Netflix an outperform grade with an upgrade action. Moving on to Tuesday, January 23, 2024, Goldman Sachs had a neutral grade for Netflix with a hold action. Another rating on the same day came from Wedbush, who gave Netflix an outperform grade but advised to hold. UBS also chimed in on Tuesday, January 23, 2024, with a buy grade for Netflix and a hold action. Lastly, on the same day, Morgan Stanley rated Netflix as overweight but suggested a hold action. Analysts have given Netflix stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its attractive PE ratio and price-to-book ratio. Additionally, the analysts believe that investing in Netflix offers a promising return on investment. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Netflix. The Netflix stock is showing positive indicators from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals is signaling a general buy, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock is likely to find support at $493.23 and $479.58. However, if the stock price falls below these levels, it may trigger sell signals. On Tuesday, January 2, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 16.3% increase in the stock price so far. This suggests that there may be further gains until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is also indicating a buy signal. Notably, the volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical sign. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a buy signal. Pivots have indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. Bollinger Bands have shown a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average has given a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average has provided a buy signal 15 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 58 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 48 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Netflix. When it comes to support levels for Netflix, there are two key levels to consider just below today's level. These levels are marked by accumulated volume at $492.23 and $492.19. It's important to note that when a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If a support level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In the case of Netflix, the next support level would be at $492.19, followed by $472.06. However, it's worth mentioning that Netflix tends to have very controlled movements and offers good liquidity. This makes the risk associated with this stock relatively low. In fact, during the last day, the stock moved $25.43 between its high and low, representing a 4.73% fluctuation. Over the course of the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.81%. Let's start by exploring some important fundamental data before we discuss potential trading levels for Netflix. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on April 16, 2024. Today, let's delve into the potential day trading levels for Netflix. Currently, there isn't any significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. This presents an opportunity for you to enter a position and leverage volume indicators to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, Netflix encounters its initial support level at $492.23. If this support level holds, it could serve as an ideal entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock's price. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Netflix is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 2, 2024, Leslie J. Kilgore made an insider purchase of 134 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On January 2, 2024, Spencer Adam Newman conducted an insider purchase of 3,113 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Timothy M. Haley conducted an insider purchase of 134 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy, on January 2, 2024. Richard N. Barton made an insider purchase of 134 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy, on January 2, 2024. On January 2, 2024, Matthias Dopfner conducted an insider purchase of 133 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -14.686, indicating a negative trend. Overall, insiders have purchased 90,724 shares and sold 123,438 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $524.55, with a decrease of 3.73%. This particular stock exhibits low daily movements, making it a low-risk option. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 is currently at 82, which significantly increases the overall risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 15 days ago. Is Netflix stock a good buy? Although Netflix holds several positive signals, we still don't believe it is enough to consider it a buy candidate. Instead, we recommend holding or accumulating this position while waiting for further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Netflix is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, January 25, we anticipate Netflix to open up $3.28 and commence trading at $548.15. Before we begin, let's emphasize the importance of understanding the risks involved in trading. It's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us serves as an information source and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. Remember, you are responsible for your own investment decisions and their outcomes. Welcome to our analysis of the current stock market. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think the target for this stock will be? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a beautiful day. Best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.